Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will discuss 20 important questions from thermodynamics. This is the fourth part of chapter-wise multiple choice questions series from physics, and these questions are very important for your all types of competitive examinations. Now let us start with our first question. Internal energy in isothermal process is. In order to solve this question, we must know the meaning of internal energy and isothermal process. The formula to calculate internal energy is du is equal to n into Cv dt, and Cv dt, this is specific capacity at constant volume, and isothermal means having same temperature. If temperature is same throughout the process, then change in temperature is 0. If change in temperature is 0, then internal energy will be 0 from this formula. So our correct answer for question number 1 is option choice C. Now let us see question number 2. 2 moles of an ideal gas are heated at constant pressure from 27 degree centigrade to 107 degree centigrade. Calculate the work done by the gas. We know the formula to calculate work done by the gas. W is equal to nR dt. Here number of mole is 2, and we know R is constant 8.31 and dt is change in temperature, but this temperature must be in Kelvin. So we have to convert this temperature in Kelvin. By adding 273, we can convert this temperature into Kelvin, and final answer will be 1.33 into 10 to the power 3 joule, which is in option choice C. Now let us see question number 3. A Carnot engine takes 10 to the power 3 calories of heat from source, this must be source, from source at 227 degree centigrade and rejects heat to a reservoir at 127 degree centigrade. How much work is done? How much work is done? In order to solve this question, we must calculate work done. Now let us see this. At first convert two temperature into respective Kelvin temperatures by adding the temperature of source. By adding temperature of source by 273, we get required Kelvin, and temperature of reservoir also can be converted into Kelvin by adding 273. Heat is taken from source, Q1 is this is in calorie, and after multiplying this calorie by 4.2, we can convert this into joule, and we need to find the work done. That is, work done is Q1 minus Q2. Q1 minus Q2. In order to find Q1 minus Q2, we must find Q2, and our formula is Q1 by Q2 is equal to T1 by T2. By using this formula, we find Q2 at first, and then after finding Q2, our answer will be Q1 minus Q2. That will be 840 joule. 840 joule is the correct answer for question number 3. Now let us see question number 4. Thermodynamic process in which pressure of the system remains constant is. The process in which pressure remains constant is called isobaric process. The process in which volume remains constant is called isochoric process. So right answer for question number 4 is option choice D. Now let us see question number 5. Kinetic theory of gases assume that collision between molecules are considered as a perfectly elastic collision. Option choice B is correct answer. According to kinetic theory of gases, the collision between molecules are perfectly elastic. Now let us see question number 6. The efficiency of Carnot engine depends on. The efficiency of Carnot engine depends on temperature between source and sink. Temperature of source and sink. So option choice C is the correct answer for question number 6. Now let us see question number 7. The first law of thermodynamics is the law of. The first law of thermodynamics is the law of conservation of energy. So option choice C is the correct answer for question number 7. Now let us see question number 8. The value of Cp by Cv for air at NTP, normal temperature and pressure, is. Here Cp is specific heat capacity at constant pressure, and Cv is specific heat capacity at constant volume. And right answer for this question is option choice B, that is 1.4. And we know that Cp and value of Cv, by dividing these two values, we get our answer for Cp by Cv. Now let us see question number 9. The latent heat of fusion of ice is. Latent heat of fusion of ice is, this is the standard number, that is 80 calorie per gram. Option choice C is the correct answer for question number 9, that is 80 calorie per gram. Now let us see question number 10. The value of latent heat of vaporization is, the value of latent heat of vaporization of water is, the right answer for this is 2.26 into 10 to the power 6 joule per kg. This is in joule per kg, but if your question is asking to find in calorie per gram, in calorie per gram the right answer is 540 calorie per gram, and in SI unit 2.26 into 10 to the power 6 joule per kg. This one, option choice B, is also right answer, but this unit is wrong here. So option choice D is the correct answer for question number 10. Now let us see question number 11. Boyle's law, PV is equal to constant, is applicable to gases under. This law is not always applicable in all condition. This is applicable only when there is small range of pressure. If there is only small range of pressure, at that condition the Boyle's law, PV is equal to constant, holds good. So option choice D is the correct answer for question number 11. Now let us see question number 12. The thermodynamic system which can exchange only energy but not matter is called, such type of system is called closed system. If a system can exchange both energy and matter, that is called open system. If system can only exchange energy but not matter, is called closed system. And if system blocks everything, energy as well as matter, that system is called isolated system. So option choice B is the correct answer for question number 12. Now let us see question number 13. If the door of refrigerator is open, which of the following is true? This was also very important question, and this was already asked, I think 2-3 years ago this question was asked, and correct answer for this question is the room is heated. Most of the students wrote their answer as room is cooled, option choice A. In fact, option choice A is wrong answer. Option choice B is the right answer. Now you need to find the reason behind this. Now let us move to question number 14. The work done is 0 in, if you see this all process, volume remains constant in isochoric process. In isochoric process, volume is constant means work done is 0. So in isochoric process, work done is 0. For question number 14, correct answer is option choice C. Now let us see question number 15. A Carnot cycle contains, two isothermal process only, two adiabatic process only, one isothermal and one adiabatic process, and option choice D is two isothermal and two adiabatic process. The correct answer for question number 15 is a Carnot cycle always contains two isothermal and two adiabatic process. So option choice D is the correct answer for question number 15. Now let us see question number 16. The most efficient engine is, among these the most efficient engine is option choice A, Carnot engine. Option choice B is petrol engine. I think L is not here, PETROL. So option choice A is the correct answer for question number 16. Now let us see question number 17. The amount of heat generated per kg of fuel is known as, the amount of heat generated per kg of fuel is calorific value. That value is called calorific value. Option choice D is the correct answer for question number 17. Now let us see question number 18. The specific heat of a dry air in joule per gram Kelvin is, the correct answer for dry air is option choice C. 1 is the correct answer for question number 18. Now let us see question number 19. For 20 degree change in Celsius scale, change in temperature in Kelvin is 20. The change in temperature will always remain same. The change in temperature in one scale, in Kelvin scale or Celsius scale, will be same in another scale. In order to know this, let us take T1 as 20 degree and T2 as 40 degree. If you convert this 20 into Kelvin, you have to add 273 here. 20 plus 273 will give you 293, and 40 plus 273, if you add this, then you will get 312, and by subtracting that respective Kelvin scale, you will get same, the difference between these two scale is 20, and difference between that 2 Kelvin scale will be also 20. So difference will be always same, that is change in temperature will be always same in these two scales. Now let us see question number 20. The variable that controls the physical property of perfect gas is, this is pressure exerted by gas, volume occupied by gas, temperature of the gas, and all of these is the right answer for this question. These three variables controls the properties of gas, so these variables are called thermodynamic variables. Now let us see this extra. I have kept two extra question here. The equation PV is equal to constant represents, the equation PV is equal to constant always represents isothermal process. So option choice A is the correct answer for question number 21. Now last question for today. The equation PV to the power gamma is constant represents, this represents adiabatic process. Thank you very much.